Hi, Jimin. Welcome to the class. So Jimin is here. Let me just change the attendance. He is here. Next week, workshops. Huh. What workshops? Like school workshops? Anyway, let's start. So I have an important object that is gone. Here it is, my pen. All right, next. So today, I know it's a bit late, okay? It's exam tips today, all right? Your exams are probably over, but it's good revision, right? To revise the techniques that you need. So first up, editing, right? As usual. Now, learning journeys, coding for fun. Okay, fair enough. Um, Look at the first line. Thanks to technology, video games are now a very common part of our lives. Are over here indicates to us that the whole passage will be in the present tense. At the end, players must exert self-control as well in order for them to experience the full benefits of video games. There's no verb in the last line over here, so you can't really tell. Yeah, because to experience is not considered a verb. If you have to plus the verb, it's not considered a real verb or it's not considered a real tense. This is called the infinite. All right, the infinite tense. So it doesn't count as like a real tense. It doesn't tell if it's past tense or past perfect or present or whatever. It's just infinite. Okay, so let's go. For question number one, Unluck has given me the answer already. That is not correct. Inchi and A. Wait a minute. Thanks to technology, video games are now. Okay, I see what's happening over here. Yep. Okay. So Inchi and Karthik are wrong. You got to give me the answers. The only person who got it correct was Birkin. Birkin got everything correct actually. Fantastic job, Birkin. Um, Jimin is wrong. Karthik is correct. Karthik has corrected himself. Unluck, that is wrong. Inchi, that is wrong. How about Bernie and Yu Leong? Bernie, that's not correct. How about Yu Leong and Yinchi? That's not it, Jimin. Yes, Karthik, go ahead. Still waiting for Yu Leong for question one. What's happening here for question one? What should the answer be? That's not it, Jimin. That's not it, Yu Leong. So let me review the answer. Okay, all of you got it wrong. Question one is very, very tricky. Okay, because we realize why is it tricky? Because number one, the it over here could be referring to technology or it could be referring to video games. Okay, and plus we see if it is it, right, and it's singular, then if it's singular, then this will be a problem if it's singular. It's supposed to be helps. It not only helps us relieve stress and lets us. So, hey, we can't have two errors in the same line, right? How are we going to solve this? This is just weird. And then finally you realize, oh my God, it over here doesn't refer to technology. It refers to video games. And video games is plural. So it needs to be changed to they. And once it is they, then the help part here makes sense and the let part here makes sense because it is plural. The subject is plural. So help and let does not need to have S behind. That's why question 1 is so tricky. You have to change it to they. All right. Question 2. Yinchi and Birkin got it correct. The rest of you got it wrong. What do we change question 2? Or is it, do we even need to change anything? Jimin is correct. Karthik is correct. Bernie is wrong. Unluck is correct. How about Yu Liang? Yu Liang. 5, 4. Oh, Bernie is correct. Yu Liang, 4. Oh, that's right. Yu Liang is correct. Good. So over here, we can't have the word allows. Okay, because it's fantastical worlds. Since it's plural, all right, we can't have an S behind for the verb. It's just allow by itself. How about number 3? Is there an error there or is there no error? Number 3, Birkin got it correct. The rest need to give me the answers again. That allow us to get rid of our stress. They also provide us another avenue in which we can make more friends. This one is difficult. This is bloody difficult. I'll give you the clue. All right. I'll even circle the mistake here for you. Okay. But you might not even know how to change it. So the mistake is in. They also provide us another avenue in which we can make more friends. Now, in is wrong for avenue. But think about it. An avenue is a street, right? An avenue is a street. So you can walk what a street. Like an alley, if it's an alleyway, you walk what? That's incorrect, Unluck. That's incorrect, Jimin. Yes, Jimin is correct. Yes, Karthik is correct. You walk what a street? Like you're just walking from one end to the other. That's incorrect, Unluck. Think about it in terms of an alleyway, like a back alley. You walk what the back alley? Like walls on both sides, nothing much to see. You're just walking what? Very good, Yu Leong. Yinchi? That's right, Yinchi. Unluck and Bernie? Not really Unluck. Like we have a phrase, right? Maybe we can cut what the park. We can cut what the park, which means we go straight what the park. Let's not walk around it. Let's cut straight what? That's right, Bernie. That's not right. Unluck. Okay, I think no more answers. Okay, so the answer is change in into through. So they provide us another avenue through which we can make more friends. All right, it's kind of like you cut through the park. Let's not walk around it. Let's cut through it, or let's walk through the alleyway, right? Or let's walk through the street. Let's not look left and right. Let's just go straight through. Okay. Question 4. Birkin got it correct. Everyone else got it wrong. How are you going to change it? Or is there even an error here? Karthik is correct. Optimists are predicting that we will very soon be able. Yinchi is correct. Unluck is correct. Yu Leong, Jimin, and Bernie? Yu Leong is correct. Jimin is correct. How about Bernie? Bernie is correct. Good. It's a tick. No errors here. All right, next. Question 5. What's the error? Or is there even an error? We will very soon be able to immerse ourselves fully in 3D created virtual environments. We will very soon be able to immerse ourselves fully in 3D created virtual environments. Yes, Unluck is correct. He caught that pretty fast. Oh, by the way, Yinchi and Karthik were correct for this. You don't need to give me your answers here. Bernie is correct. Yu Leong is correct. Jimin? Jimin is incorrect. There is an error here. You can't say to immerse. Remember, the moment we have the word to, any verb that comes after that must be in the simplest form. So it just is immersed. How can we have the D behind? That doesn't make sense. It's to immerse. Yeah? Yes, Jimin. Too late, too late. Question 6. Birkin, Inchi, Karthik got it correct. The rest of you give me your answers here. What's the error? Or is there even an error for question 6? Moreover, given that addiction is current already a problem in many societies. Let me read that part again. Moreover, given that addiction is current already a problem in many societies. Can we say current already? Yes, Unluck is correct. Jimin is correct. Yu Leong is correct. Bernie is wrong. It's not addiction. Yeah, we are talking about addiction in general as a topic. So you don't need to add an S behind. The part that's wrong is current. Given that addiction is currently, all right, already a problem in many societies. Yeah. One can only shudder to the prospect of even more people becoming addicted. So this one, Yinchi and Karthik got it wrong as well. Only Bernie got it correct. Only Birkin got it correct. Okay, so what's the answer here? Yes, Karthik, you are correct. One can only shudder to the prospect. That sounds a bit weird, doesn't it? Yinchi is correct. One can only shudder to the prospect of even more people becoming addicted. How about Yu Leong, Unluck? That's not correct, Unluck. How about Jimin and Bernie? That's not correct, Jimin. That's not correct, Unluck. That's not correct, Jimin. That's incorrect, Bernie. How about Yu Leong? This one is actually not that difficult. It's just a very small word. Yes, Yu Leong is correct. That's not the one. So one, right? One means like you or I, like one person. Like one can only shudder. You don't say shudder to, you say shudder at, right? You can only shudder at something like, ooh, when you look at something like, oh my God, that's so disgusting, or that's so disturbing. You shudder at something. All right. So one can only shudder at the prospect of even more people becoming addicted to video games that are even more entertaining and engaged than current ones. Number 8. What's the error? Or is there even one? So this one, Birkin and Karthik got it correct. I will need Inchi's answer because Inchi left this blank.